Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we're doing a review on the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. I did a semi-review on TikTok last year with their other Valentine's Day collection. I'm not even gonna say any words. Just look at the look. You let me know if it was a good one or not, because it was so good. I'm stuttering because it was so good. I came up with this very girly look, and my outfit today actually went perfectly with it. Very coquette, very Lana, very Valentine's Day. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. I love it. If you guys want to see how I got this look and also a review on the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection, keep on watching because you're gonna want to grab everything. It's so good. This ColourPop collection is going to make me screech. I'm not even gonna say another word, but let's get into it. So these are their heart blushes. I'm really okay. You guys know that this is my type of blush. Mauvey pink, you see? So this one is called Hearts Content. So pretty. That's how you know I really like F with this collection. This is really pretty. But this one is more of a hot pink. This is called Cutesy Wootsy, which I think is so cute. But it's like a hot pink. And I've low-key been craving like a hot pink. And then this one here, this one's more of like a mauve. This is called Adore You. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh my god, I love that name. So I'm not a huge fan of mauves. I never really have been. I think I'm leaning towards this one, so let's do Cutesy Wootsy. They came out with a heart sponge, and I'm just so obsessed. Like, I love anything that has to do with like Valentine's Day pink hearts and just Also, I am dealing with a really vicious cough. So this brush is actually by Too Faced. Love how she's a little dirty, so let's do something about that. Just gonna wipe off any excess that I have on this brush. These are cream blushes. Last year they came out with the powder version. I do still have those, but oof. Oh, what? My face is still wet. Favorite concealer in the world. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Vanilla. This is what I use to like really brighten up my entire under eye. So I'm gonna do a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way though, so I'm gonna put some of that there. And I do this whenever I apply cream blushes for a reason, so this is gonna be very pigmented. I can already feel it. On with a brush in a stippling motion, and I'm gonna add a little bit more because this side's a little bit more pigmented. I'm gonna make this very freaking bright, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up here, and I'm gonna do kind of like an under eye moment. Cutesy wootsy, like they did that. I actually find that if I use a sponge straight on like that, this is also dampened, that it takes away from some of the makeup. In all times I've done that with a clean sponge. So I'm taking a little bit of the product and just dabbing it on the back of my hand, removing any products, and I'm not really adding any product. It's just kind of like neutral, if that makes any sense. With this from earlier, I'm gonna slightly blend out my concealer just a little bit, but you guys will see we're gonna be blending it all in together in a second. We're doing dabbing motions. Ooh, okay, wait. I already knew I was gonna be obsessed with this. And the way that this sponge is blending things out is really just making life such a dream. Okay, also these blushes don't dry down fast, which is very good to me because I like to take time with my makeup process. I just feel like it makes things a lot more fun. Also, I'm wearing those like cluster lashes. I'm not wearing lash extensions. I'm gonna be quite honest with y'all, I hate them. I hate them. How they feel extremely heavy. Like, you would think that lash extensions would also feel heavy, but girl, no. If you want the lash extension look, get the freaking lash extensions. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna be so real. 10 out of 10. I would say, if anything, I'm gonna give it actually a 9 because I feel like I would love to have more colors than this. The cream version of Flamingo, because I use Flamingo every single day. Literally, it's right here in my makeup bag. But this is delicious. To kind of give like a little cutesy bunny vibe. All of my friends I've ever had have always told me that I remind them of Bunny. And I'm gonna go in with her and take the side that I didn't use. I purposely really want like a super bright under eye and dramatic cheek. It's giving kind of more editorial. I can already tell that this is gonna set so beautifully. I'm just putting my Huda Beauty cupcake powder over top. Look at that. That's how you know the blush is crazy pigmented. That's one thing that I always am like, oh, I don't want to set my freaking cream blushes. And I like how it also didn't take away from any of my foundation. Like, also I remove like the thinnest layer from my brows because I feel like my brows get powdery and white. I really want it to marinate because I want that brightness under there. I will be back with my bronzer done and my brows done. We're back and we're baking. In the meanwhile, I've been trying to figure out like what do I want to do this color all over the lid. I'm gonna be wearing, I feel like I want to wear this on Valentine's Day. Pigmented, like it's a true glitter in pressed form. I think for today I want to do this color here. This is more of just like a true shadow rather than a glitter. I'm going to start off in the crease though, so I'm going to take Ever and Ever, which is this tan color, and we're gonna do a little wash in the crease and above the crease, and this is just going to be kind of messily in there to have some type of transition. Notice I didn't do too much with like the bronzer. I literally just put a little bit of something, and now I'm going to go in with the Dibs, which is the pinky color right here, and we're gonna actually put this in the crease, but I'm not gonna be putting too much in there. This is more of like a transition. Now I'm gonna take my finger because that's how these ColourPop shadows work best. I remember before I used to be like, oh, I'm not too sure how I feel about ColourPop. If you're gonna be messing around with ColourPop makeup, you have to know what works best with their products because they do have a lot of like gels. This is going to work best. I'm going to show you guys real quick because it's so freaking gorgeous. This is such a beautiful glitter. One thing about ColourPop is they're gonna get down with the glitter. This is what she looks like inside, and girl, this glitter, like the feeling of it is crazy. I was about to literally put it all over my body, but this, I think that this would be really pretty if like you were going to a rave or something and you wanted to put it like on top of your cheeks. But I almost forgot, guys, we have these other three. These are like a gel consistency also. These are shadows. So there's this corally one right here. This one is in the shade Moon and Stars, like an orangey pink color, all love. And this one's like a pink like baby, it's almost baby pink. This one is in the shade Forever Valentine, and oh my gosh, she's like a whitish baby pink. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna be using Forever Valentine. These are jelly much shadows, so they're going to be a jelly consistency. Like you don't even have to set it, it feels like. Wait, hold on, this as a highlight. Oh, this is a true first reaction. You know what, now that we use this on the cheeks, we're gonna go in with All Love. So I put some on the back of my hand and I've been applying it with my finger. I don't even have to tell you guys, like this is so freaking gorgeous. Applying with your finger is always going to do so much better when it comes to a gel consistency. I'm really liking this look. I'm gonna do a lip and then we're gonna come back and see how we feel about the entire look. Shut the duck up because I just did my hair. I'm about to put on my outfit in just a second, but I was not expecting this look to look this freaking pretty. Okay, so I used another ColourPop product just to like keep the ColourPop thing going. I got this from another collection. This is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF, and this is like a really pretty nude. It's very like muted, it's neutral, so it's really cute. I usually go for something darker than this, but I feel like it's really giving what it's supposed to be giving. You guys already know I'm gonna go for the lightest shade because that's just me, but I'm going to swatch these for you guys. This first one, oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. I don't ever really go for anything that looks like this, but it's called Lover Era and it's sparkly, it's glittery. Ooh, you guys already know that ColourPop is just famous for having bomb products, having tons of pigment, and it smells really good. It almost smells kind of like strawberries a little bit. This one is so pretty, but again, I don't wear colored lip glosses necessarily. I only wear like nudes or baby pinks. This is in the shade Taken, deep pink. It's very pretty. I feel like this would be really cute for like a no makeup day. Okay, yeah, that's like a very pretty nude. I also actually thought it was gonna be more of like a pinky peach, but it's definitely nude. So usually I would put on like a lipstick under and then a gloss. Ooh, hold on, it's like marinating. I like this a lot. Oh guys, this is it. This is cute. Literally obsessed. This looks so freaking cute. I love that I decided to do like that big boom blush moment, and then I saw this. I DIY'd this little ribbon, I want to say like 5 or 6 months ago, before like the bow trend was a thing. And okay, I did not mean it like that. I did not mean it like that. That sounded very pick-mean, but I kept it and I'm so glad that I did. And I will be back with the final fit and everything, and Oh, I wish I had a date tonight. Okay, guys, so this is my final look. Are you guys as obsessed as I am? You guys know I have not done highlight in so freaking long. For me to be doing this, all of this is something very new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.